What is up? Welcome back to my channel. It's been such a while, but I made a little stopping at Pennywise today and I figured why not do a very quick short mini haul for you guys. So if you don't want to see it, then let's get it.
Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Just stare 'cause the flames
As fast as possible. We got the essentials, which is regular Cortex essentials, need these, as well as some Lebret, you all know we need those things. Right. Got this perfume, Max. It is a version of Flow by Jewellery. When I smell this, it actually smells really good. It's just like a super easy budget friendly cheap perfume. I pick up it to my mom because yeah, I have enough fragrances so that I don't need anymore. Picked up 2 packs of these toothbrushes. Yo, this is really a great buy on a budget. It is like $10 for one of these packs and you get 6 toothbrushes in them. It's Dr. Fresh and it's soft. 6 toothbrushes, different colors, and it's $10 a pack. Like budget friendly day. Guys, next, mom needed like some hair color. She prefers to use these kind of like color made Sophie cream hair color packs, whatever, but yeah, she likes to use that, so we got that. Picked up a little pack of the Chic razor blades. These are actually really sharp, but for daddy because he needs, you know, shaving stuff. A little Tusk blue cologne, and next, very cheap little deodorant spray. Y'all, this actually smells pretty good. Like, it's just $89. It smells good, y'all. This, y'all, I was shocked. My hand hurts, guys. Y'all, I was shocked. Got this Perfect Purity mouthwash, mint mouthwash and gargle. This was $10, and look at the size of this bottle. I was like shocked when I saw this. I was like, how did I get that? Got this Joy Papaya Sun. This is a facial sunscreen. I have been using this for like months, almost like over a year now actually. This is $15 and I absolutely love this. This is like a great buy and a bundle for them. I know something, it's 25 plus SPF, like bruh, who's wrong with that? Next, got a little bottle of Candy Dandy methylated spirit. Can't go wrong with that, always need that. To the last section, which is snacks. You all know I can't go Pennywise and see such great, amazing, cheap snacks and not pick up a few. So I actually love Charles chocolate choo-choos. So sorry about the dog. But when I'm feeling to split it a little bit, I really love Nestle Raisinets. I love it, absolutely love it so much. I love chocolate covered raisins. This is like a movie snack to me. I love watching movies and eating some popcorn. Love it. Next thing, Nature Valley Oats and Dark Chocolate. Yo, this is my favorite. This and the green one, which is the regular original one, I love. This was like $3.50 in Pennywise. Like, who wouldn't pick that up? And the next thing that I'm excited to try is this one called Nutri-Snack. It is, and y'all know I love coffee. Y'all know I love chocolate. This is in the flavor Espresso Mocha. There are 2 cookies in here, 100 calories, y'all. This pack of cookies was for $6, right? And you get 2 cookies in it, all health conscious, like hello. Y'all, who wouldn't pick that up? Then anyway, guys, thanks for watching this super mini haul. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye! Let me know what's your favorite thing to buy at Pennywise, and also let me know if it is you going thinking, hey, you know what, I'm only gonna spend like $100 or $200 and you end up spending like a whole bunch of money buying a million unnecessary things that you really didn't need.